Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with news that the battle for Portland is on in earnest, with the Jamaica Labour Party getting ready to hold a mass meeting in Port Antonio in the parish. Now our reporter Anthony Lugg is there and now joins us live. Anthony, what can you tell us?
Thank you, Janella. Now the stage is set for the JLP mass rally here in Port Antonio Square, and the Jamaica Labour Party supporters are here in their numbers. The meeting was scheduled to get underway sometime after 6 o'clock, but it started about 15 minutes ago. Now, top members of the Jamaica Labour Party are expected to take the stage, as well as the lady of the moment, Andrew Vaz. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is also expected to be here sometime soon. And all week, it's been speculated that the Prime Minister will be making the announcement of a by-election date here in Port Antonio. And the persons here are anxiously awaiting that date. Now, it's also understood that the party does not intend to drag this process out. So they're trying to announce the date as soon as possible and get it over with. I'd also like to add that although campaigning has already started, the announcement of the by-election date will no doubt spark intense campaigning here in Port Antonio and in eastern Portland. We will be monitoring the situation here at the mass rally and will provide you with updates. Until then, it's back to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Anthony. Meanwhile, charges have been laid against the suspect held in connection with the murder of Portland Eastern Member of Parliament, Dr. Linville Bloomfield. He is 20-year-old Simeon Sutherland, a resident of Portland. He's scheduled to appear in court next week. Dr. Bloomfield was found murdered at his home on February 2nd. His body had multiple stab wounds.